Ang amo nila. My God. Ah, ang dami. Ayun din. Uy! Baby! Baby! Hello guys! So, welcome back to my channel. So ngayon, pupunta kami sa Pig Island. So, meron kaming half day tour. So, ang time ng pick up namin is 1 o'clock. So, it's 1:01 na. So, kailangan namin mag-ready. So, ayan nga pala yung outfit ko for today. I think it's too sexy. But it's okay. Baby, say hi to my friend by the way.
Hello. Say hello.
Yeah, siya yung kasama ko magpupunta sa
Mabuhay.
Pig Island. So ayan nga, nakarating na kami dito sa pier. So maghihintay lang kami ng mga a few minutes bago kami pumunta sa speedboat.
Island, please take every day with you. Everybody stay here one night, come back tomorrow 7 a.m. About 2.5 hours in the island. You can see the big photos, some people kayaking also in the day. Kayaking. Sightseeing portion, and then 440 for yummy for dinner. Dinner included, kayaking also. Finish dinner, you see the sunset. Then sometimes you see the raining, windy. About 6:20, 6:30, I show you pick the boat, we come back to Pasar. The first island 45 minutes for swim, for snorkeling, and the big island 2.5 hours for yummy kayaking size. Everybody just want drinking water, try whiskey. Thank you very much, everyone.
So ayan guys, nag-stop over kami for snorkeling. So, it's 45 minutes for snorkeling. Yeah. So ayan guys, punta muna kami sa harap since hindi kami mag-snorkeling. Yeah. So hindi kami ayoko mag-snorkeling, I mean.
Wait, I can't even get this in front. Okay. There you go, Kelly.
Nakaka-haggard, guys. My God. Yun na yung view, ang ganda.
5 meters.
There's no bottom.
Diba? So ayan guys, nasa second stop na kami. Pig Island. So, nagpalit ako ng ano, ng damit. Bikini. Ang bigyan. Yeah. So, this is second stop. So, ito na yung ano, Pig Island. Yeah. Excited ako makakita ng pig, baboy. So, kasi hindi ako kumakain ng baboy pero
Where pig?
cute sila. Cute. Baby, I'm fixing my hair. Oh my god. Yeah. Baby, say hi.
Hello. How are you, everyone?
Yeah. This is the Pig Island, right? Where's the pig?
Are you sure?
I don't know. Like, yeah. This is Pig Island already. Grabe. Ang amo nila. My God. Ang dami. Ayun din. Uy! Baby! Baby! Ang dami. Yeah. Wow. Wow.
It would have hurt. Yeah. How scared? I feel quite comfortable with mine. Oh god.
Grabe yung mga baboy. Ay. Diba? Ayan, ang dami. Oh, ayan. Uy, hello. Oh, natutulog siya. Uy. My God. Oh my God. Ang daming baboy dito. Ah! Wow. Wow.
Hey pig. Hey pig.
So, literal nga na Pig Island. Grabe. Wow. Ang ganda ng ng island na to kasi may mga restaurant. I mean, hindi naman marami pero may mga bilihan din ng pagkain. So may mga seats din. Tapos tables kung gusto mo mag-relax for free. So, ayan. Ang daming baboy. 'Di ba? Wow. It's paradise. Wow. Grabe, ang ganda. Hindi lang baboy ang nandito. Pati aso. Diba? It's mixed. Wow. Wow, guys. Grabe yung island na to.
can take more chicken.
I'm so tired. Yeah. No, I want to go home. So yun na nga guys, yun natatapos yung ano namin, vlog. Pagod na pagod. So tired. So ayan. Bye, thank you.